Now the demons, they are not far from us. Now the demons, they are inside us. So it says that in Satya Yoga, the demons, they were in a different planet. In Treta Yoga, the demons, they left the planet and came to our own planet. Okay? In Satya Yoga, the demons were in different universes. In Dwapara Yoga, they came to our planet. In Dwapara Yoga, they came to our planet. And in Kali Yoga, they are inside us. So demons, they are not far from us. We have human beings who have this demonic nature. And the Srimad Bhagavad Gita describes, Srimad Bhagavad Gita describes demonic and divine natures. Pride, arrogance, concepts, anger, harshness, and ignorance. These qualities belongs to those of demonic nature. Please, are you listening to me? Pride. We are very pride. Oh, pride. So much proud. You are part of the demon. Arrogance. Very arrogant. Conceits. Anger. Harshness. Ignorance. These qualities belongs to those of demonic nature. Krishna describes divine and demonic nature. So in verse 6, Krishna describes, O son of Preta, in this world there are two kinds of created beings. One is called divine and the other demonic. Demonic. Those who are demonic do not know what is to be done. Those who are demonic, they do not know what is to be done. What is not to be done, either cleanliness nor proper behavior, nor truth is found in them. Are you listening? Somebody with demonic nature, we should examine ourselves. If we have demonic nature, we should examine ourselves. So now it's not difficult to know a demon. Before you see a demon, you see a demon is having horn. A demon utia bembeng. Nenu but say the entisa. Man you say obehu demon na abembentua no debi entisa. Say demon no ene